Hey, what's up, folks? This is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here. Hey, with another video, I'm going to show you basically how to boost your credit score to 700 for free, spending $0. And yes, that is a picture of me. Let's go. Let me show you something. So how many of you are in credit card debt right now? How many of you have debt? You have a low credit score. Years ago, my credit score was about 500. 400. It sucked because I couldn't get anything. I couldn't get a car. I couldn't get a house. I couldn't even get an apartment here. And over the years, I filed bankruptcy before. I've had chargebacks on credit cards before. And I had a mountain of school debt until I got smart here. Okay? So listen, you're going to want to hit the like button because I'm going to give you massive value. Basically, what you're going to learn in this video here is the steps what you have to do right now to start boosting your credit score, even if you have a mountain of debt, even if you can't pay the bills on time. There are secrets of the trade. And guess what? Your boy Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin is getting ready to give it to you. Now understand this. You know, it's all about making money online. I teach people every day how to make money, but you have to learn how to keep the money and manage the money, okay? Say it with me. Keep the money and manage the money so you can have more money than other people, okay? To do crazy things, right? Such as, you may say, well, Wesley, what would I do? Well, you're about watches, right? Hey guys, so here we go. I'm going to show you step by step basically how to boost your credit score to 700. As a matter of fact, put your credit score below. I dare you. All right? And remember, if you hit the like button, I will keep doing videos like this. It's about making money, but you have to learn how to manage money properly. I was a piss poor manager until I understood how to do this. And listen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into my actual Experian account. I'm going to show you my credit score, right? Don't listen to any video unless people are willing to log into their accounts to show you exactly what they're talking about, right? Full transparency as well. And if you stay to the very end, I will give you a autopilot way to basically lay in your bed and have somebody else do it for you for almost nothing. Make sense? So here's the site that you need to go to because you need to check your credit score right now, okay? You see here, credit score. If you guys think I'm crazy, hit the like button. If you think I'm insane, hit the share button. If you believe I give massive value, I want you to share and like right now. Listen, let me log in. This is the site I do recommend, okay? Credit Karma, all these crazy people. I don't know about that, but these guys here, these guys are cool, right? Because that's the actual company, right? You have Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, all the 3 credit bureaus here that you need to be able to monitor and make sure your credit score is great, okay? So look here. This is my username, Winning38, because I'm a winner, right? I'm going to log in right quickly here, which is going to expose my score. Take a look. All right. Boom, 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 boom. That's basically perfect credit. Let me tell you why that's perfect credit. Because some of you might say, no, Wesley, 850 is. Listen, as long as you have a credit score over 700, you can get anything you want, okay? With this credit score, I bought a Lamborghini, a Rolls Royce. I have like 6 houses around the world. I have rental properties that I have as well. And guess what? I use other people's money. And this is what you want to do. You want to use your money. You see all these credit cards right here? See all these credit cards, credit card, Discover card. Yeah. Step number 1. Whenever you have a credit card, make sure you keep a low balance, okay? Spend about 10% of the actual amount that they give you per month. Don't be stupid. And if you gave you $5,000, you spend $4,999. That's dumb, right? Always spend less than 10%. Like on this card specifically, right here, I can spend $200,000 a day. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna show you another video. I'm gonna log into the account, so keep watching for it. And I'm gonna show you what a millionaire and how a millionaire spends his money. It's very important. All right. And remember, American Express, they tried to give me a chargeback, which they did, but using these techniques, who cares? It got dropped and it's no longer on my credit report. Okay. So you want to look at your score, 722. That's my Experian. You can always look at your other scores as well, right? And they have some cool boosters here as well. Now, you might say, okay, Wesley, my credit score is 500 and I'm crying. I got your back. Don't worry about it. Watch this. This is what you want to do. You want to write pre-written letters to credit bureaus. Okay. you want to write letters to credit bureaus. Basically, you write a letter to them telling them that, oh, this is not my account. I don't know what you're talking about. Or, this is some discrepancies on the account. And they have 30 days. Listen, this is what a lot of you don't know. They have 30 days to respond. If they don't respond, they require by law to basically remove it from your credit score, okay? And I'm going to show you an autopilot way. If you don't want to do the work, I'm going to show you another way to get this done for you. Now, how about this? I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, I don't know how to write a letter. How many of you don't know how to write a letter? How about if a cool black guy from Houston, Texas had pre-written letters that I use to get my score to 722? All right. You know what? As long as you hit the smash and like button, because I love you so much, and I do, I'm going to give you the pre-written letters that I use over the years. You can download it right now. I'm going to put it in the description below or in the comment section where you can download the pre-written letters. And all you have to do, it's really easy. Hold on. Let me show you something here. Hold on. Look. You see this? These are the pre-written letters right here. See what it says? Wesley $1 Billion Virgins. Pre-written letters. I've never shared this before. And these letters, you just basically plug and play and you just send it. I've used this for years. And I'm even going to give you the address that you have to send this stuff to. You send it to these people. That's what they are. You send it to them based off the company, school debt, credit card debt, house debt, evictions. It doesn't matter. Anything that's on your credit card that is negative, okay? Anything that is negative on your credit, you should write them the pre-written letters. And I'm going to give it to you for free. Can I get a like? Let's get it. All right. Now, since you watched the video to the very end, listen, let me give you the company I've used in the past 5 years, and I let them do the work for me. Okay. This is just for people that's a little bit lazy. It's all good. Sometimes you can be lazy. Like I'm lazy when it comes to a lot of things, but when it comes to creating content for you that I see that you naturally like and love right now, this is what I like to do. I like helping people get rich. I like helping people fulfill their dreams. And to do that, you have to be smart with money, okay? So I want other people to do this. I'm going to show you the company that I recommend. I'm not an affiliate for them. I don't get paid from them, but I love them because it worked. I had 500 within a couple of months. My credit score went over 700, and as you can see, it's still growing here. Hit the like button, and I'm going to show you right now what the company is. And I recommend, if you don't want to write the letters for yourself, I am going to give you these pre-written letters right here. I'm going to give them to you, okay? I'm going to leave a link. If you guys just share the video, okay? If you share and like this and sub, I would keep doing videos like this. So overall, you will be a great money manager because you just can't make money and you don't know what to do with the money, right? So remember, with credit cards, and I'm going to do a video specifically on credit cards to show you the best credit cards that you need to have. So search through my YouTube channel and how to be smart with credit cards so you never, ever, ever go into debt ever again, okay? Does this make sense? Now, here's the website here. Lexington Law Firm. Let me log out and let me log back in. Because you know why? Because I want you to know this is not a screenshot. This is an actual website. That is my login. It's called Perfect Credit because this is what I desire, which I got. Perfect Credit, which is not 800. As long as you can get whatever you want, I can get whatever I want, okay? I don't have to spend my own money if I don't want to, okay? Now look here. You see here? Boom, boom, boom. So they have removed 18 negative items. Now, why that's important? Because a lot of these negative items that they removed, I never even paid. I have credit cards I've never paid off. I have school debt I've never paid off before. Like I had a car in my 20s that my mom was a co-signer. I never paid that off and they removed it from my credit and my mom's credit as well. So yeah, they work. Now some of these you do have to pay off, but most of them you don't. They're really good. Lexington Law is nothing but a team of lawyers, and this is what they do all day. They're very educated and they're smart when it comes to credit card removal. Listen, don't get all these dumb companies or these dumb programs of individual people to say, hey, buy my program, and I tell you to go to Lexington Law Firm. That's stupid. You can just do it for free from watching a Wesley $1 Billion Virgin video because I'm all about being transparent. Hell, I'm using an iPhone doing this video. There's no edits. This is real. And I think this is why you want to smash the like button because I give value. I want you to get out of debt and I want you to get rich. Okay. So if you see here, basically you're going to run your report. You're going to get your report downloaded from here, Experian, right? USAexperian.com. And you go to Lexington Law Firm. This is for lazy people, right? Like me. Like I just didn't want to do it myself. And they do it all for you. And the great thing about this site here, you can put a lock on your credit. do that, please, because people will scam you and they will take your money, or they will use and try to take your identity. Lock it. That means when people try to run your credit, they can't unless you unlock it. Make sense? This will save you a bunch of stress, right? Because every time you get an inquiry on your credit report, that number will go down. We want it to go up, not down. Make sense? Are you getting educated now? Yeah, it's really simple. So listen, Lexington Law Firm, I don't care how bad your credit score is. I started with them a couple of years ago. It was at 430. Now I'm at 735 with one of my bureaus, and it's still going up, and they're still deleting other items from my credit card. Every single month I get an email and say, Wesley, we removed this credit card. Wesley, we removed this school debt. And I'm like, yay, yay, yay. Let's get it. Listen, if I gave you guys value, if you love this video, smash the like button. Sub if you want to get more information on how to do this stuff. This is behind the scenes. They don't make this stuff public. Why? Because they want to keep you dumb. They want to keep you dumb and in credit card debt. Credit card is a huge company. It's a huge business. They make a ton of money because people are ignorant and not educated. But I am going to educate you because I love you. Okay? So guys, listen. If you like the video, hit the like button. Smash the sub button as well. And I'm going to leave a couple of videos and I'm going to show you basically how to fix bad credit, okay? And you can always look through my channel to find that video. If you have bad credit, I'm going to show you some behind the scenes ways to do it and to do it quickly. Hey, guess what? What I'm going to do now? So as you hit the like and share button, this is Wesley Billion $1 Virgin! Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go.